Sora. Okay. I think in the last couple of days, they are launching, Sora.com, which is an social app like TikTok where people can just come and create video, like just brand rock video, I would say. But what I'm interesting now is to us is they are releasing Sora 2 and Sora 2 Pro in the API. So basically, let me open this slide. Okay. So okay. So this is okay. So this is example of like Sora. So I cannot say much. It is kind of like a state-of-the-art model already, and this is like gymnasium test. So most of the model is going to be fail on that test, but Sora actually creating a lot of like best result. Yeah. Okay. So this is like so right now they are releasing this to the world where you can starting to use that, and they price that at this point. So for Sora 2, it's going to be like 722p, and the price per second is 0.1. For Sora 2 Pro, they will also have two mode. One mode is like 722p, and the second one is 1024p. Okay, and this is what price per second. So that is freaking expensive, right? To run this video model, and for if I put in the comparison with a VO3, so for VO3 fast, it was like 0.15 per second of video, and for VO3 normal, it's going to be 0.4. So technically, you can benchmark Sora 2 against VO3 fast if that is something useful for you. Because I think Sora or OpenAI doing this pricing is to undercut the VO3. So if it's under 0.1 per second, I think Sora 2 is useful. And also in a comparison, I would like to bring everyone to one of the model that also doing quite impressive on the video generation. This model is developed by a China company. We call it Seedance 1.0. Okay, and this model is very impressive as well. And you can create this one, you can create this one, and do some native multi-shot and some stylistic expression. Yep, and this model was developed by ByteDance and the company behind TikTok. So they have a lot of data, and actually they create this model. And I mean, I have a feeling that on video generation, China was just way ahead of the US in this part. So the pricing for the 722p is also 0.03 per second. So it means it's 70% cheaper than Sora. And also for the 1080p, they are also like 80% cheaper. So I would strongly suggest that depends on your use case. If you are into the video generation AI, you strongly suggest that you give Seedance a try. Okay. So in order to give everyone an understanding of like how Seedance is working, actually we finished the integration with Seedance into our agentic flow platform. So let me show you how to do it. Okay. So this is a platform of the video. So let me run this first. Okay, while we're waiting for this run, if you have any question. Okay, no question. Oh, it take a bit of time. Let's go into history. Okay, it takes some time. Let me go to this one. So in this this model is actually having the start frame and end frame. So actually you can be more directive in order to turn the scene from one scene to the other. Okay, so I give the scene of a woman here, and I using nano banana to create a scene that she pick up the cup, and then it turn out is into this video like this. You can see, so it start with here and it will end here. Yeah, like this. So this is very useful when you are doing some kinds of like commercial clip, like advertising for some brand, for example. So you're just using nano banana in order to frame the start frame, and also you frame the end frame, and then you just let the AI model to animate between them. And you can extend, because the end frame of the previous scene can be the start frame of the next scene, and so on and so on. And you can extend that one into like 30-second clip or more. So that is how this model is going to use. So this model is named in ByteDance. So you can go here, you search for ByteDance. Yeah, ByteDance generative video. Click on this one. In here there will be choosing the model, the pros or light. Pros is $0.1 per second, light is 0.03, and you could put a prompt. You can start frame like this. So you just using the start frame in here, end frame in here, prompt you put in here as well. Yep. And the aspect ratio, yeah, you would like to have which aspect ratio? For example, like, oops, wait, how can we select? Okay, it's going to be like this. Yeah, so you can just choosing 190. So it's actually 1080p, which is better than Sora, because Sora is not 1080p. They are a bit lower. For the Sora cookbook, where is it? Yeah, okay. So for example, like Sora, even with the highest model, they can only doing the like 1792. They cannot go even higher to 1920 and 1080. So they also freaking expensive as well. So it's like 5 times more expensive than Seedance model. So if I are going to invest into the video generation, and with its cost is a strong factor, then I'm going to go with the Seedance model. Okay. All right. So before we move to the second part of today, which is related to some agent template that we built, perhaps that I would take some time so that you can have some question. Yeah. So if you have any other question, you can just feel free to ping me. Yeah, on YouTube. Hey, Genius Brand. Yeah, thanks for confirming. Yeah, if you have other question, I will continue. So I also would like to share with you that we have Sora and Sora 2 Pro in the API already, so you can use it today. So you can go into a workflow, and then you can choose Sora like this one, and then you can select the Sora 2 or Sora 2 Pro, and you just input a prompt, input the image, and input the aspect ratio, and select the duration. The output is quite okay, but because the OpenAI, they are quite really, how to say, censor. So most of the time they will just reject you because of the compliance policy and those shit. So for example, like this one, I run it an hour ago. I just say to Mountain Explorer, blah blah and blah blah, and I give the picture. Even this picture I will took from their website, but they say the generated content was flagged and rejected by OpenAI moderation system. So I don't know why, but basically this is something that maybe I will have to play around further to see which is the model is working with them, and also you will see another error, which is like this. This one. In pane image much requested width and height. So it means the input image need to exactly the same with the output video. So for example, like if you go back into the Sora pricing, you will see that they have like the portraits is 720 to 1280. So you need to give the image exactly like this one so that they can animate that and do some work with that, but otherwise they cannot. So this is some of the limitation of the Sora API. We have the integration already. You can use it today in Agentic Flow, but perhaps that we need to testing more in order to see what is the usefulness of this feature. Okay, now Sora 2 is here.